Okay, let's try this again. An unboxing of a package that was hand delivered from the great AutomotiveVlog. I'm out here in the great state of California. Let's see what it is. Boy. Looks like we have a little pasta rocket, which I got to ride in today. We did a little rally racing. Uh-oh. You gotta be shitting me. He actually found it. He does remember every comment. Commented saying that I could never find this in a Hot Wheel. Son of a bitch did it. Even the right color. Freaking awesome. And the Scorpion, which I guess is going to go on my new truck, which won't have a Scorpion motor. But either way, it's going on a toolbox. And another Z06. Or is that the detailed? Did it say Z06? Either way. Another vet for the collection. I thank you, sir. It was damn nice meeting you. And you get super ultra mega brownie points for finding this. Thank you.